here is pretty cool. It is an all-metal, heavy-duty Dolly little, moving cart. Has really thick urethane wheels, nice coasters, was easy to put together, came with all of the bolts and everything needed. Has these little, they have like little wing bolts, and you can loosen them up and put like a divider up here and make stuff not slip out. I have 90, 180, 70, like 260-ish pounds on it right now. It's rated to 1500, all metal frame, has locking casters in the back here. And let's move it around. So this is great. It easily all rolls with it. You can see, totally works well. Makes it a lot easier to move stuff like this around. And this isn't very even pavement right here either. But you can see how well it works. You could even, put a piece of plywood over the top of it if you wanted to. Screw it down to there. Work great. Again, locking casters. Oh, they lock in there nice and good. It's not going anywhere, and I hope this video helped with your buying decision.